Ready to use the vault? Start by logging on to Client Access with your user ID and password. You'll find Vault on the top menu bar. Before you get started, you'll need to accept the Raymond James terms and conditions. Check the box, then click the I accept button. Welcome to your free, safe, behind-the-firewall cloud storage. Here, you can securely upload documents for us to see, and we can send you documents too. You may find documents from us waiting here that you can download. There are many ways you can use the Vault. One is for storing a copy of your estate planning documents. Here's how to upload. Click on Upload, and then select Files. You can browse the options on your computer. Find what you're looking for, and select Choose. File uploads have completed. Our office gets an email notification every time you add something to your vault. Wondering what else you might store in the vault? Call us, and we can talk about it.